Hello students, welcome to VrushuRaj classes YouTube channel. Just now you saw one clip and it's quite trending. Right from small children to adult, they are just adding haldi powder to water and they're posting that reel with some good background music. And it's trending video, it's going viral nowadays. But why we do this? We like the reel is becoming viral, so even we are doing. But have you ever thought what can we find in this reel? As a science student, I would like to explain the science behind this. So when we add this haldi powder, turmeric in water, what do we observe? Yes, we observe a very beautiful effect. Haldi powder is beautifully spreading in that water. And what happens next? Have you observed the particles of the turmeric in that light? Here, what I want to explain is one beautiful, interesting concept which is explained in the science of class 9. In class 9, in second chapter, is matter around us pure. In that, three types of different solutions are explained. One is homogeneous solution and one is heterogeneous solution. And in heterogeneous solution, we have colloid and suspension. So this solution what we make here is nothing but suspension. It shows all the properties of suspension. So what I think is this is the best example, actually the best practical example to show what is the suspension. See how we classify the homogeneous solution and heterogeneous solution. In homogeneous solution, the particles are invisible, means the size of particles is so small that they are not seen by the naked eyes and we get one uniform solution. For example, when we add salt in water or sugar in water, we get a clear solution. We can't make out the particles of salt and water in that solution. Next is when we add milk. When we add milk in water, yes, the solution looks uniform solution, but it's not the clear solution and we can't even see the particles of milk in that. So such mixtures are called as colloids. And suspensions. For example, if we add fine sand particles or soil particles or turmeric powder in water, what we get is suspension. Here, the particles are clearly visible to the naked eyes. Means we can clearly see the particles. And we also see that the particles for some time they just move in that solution and after some time they settle down. Means if we leave the solution undisturbed, slowly these particles they settle down. Means these are the properties of suspension. Actually, science means just the explanation for the things what is happening around us. So after watching this reel, I just thought of explaining this science concept with the help of this experiment. So even teachers, you can do this experiment in your class while explaining the chapter is matter around us pure. So all the students, those who have not yet posted the reel, do this as one experiment, as one activity, shoot it and post it. So from this one more thing we can conclude, science is not boring, it's quite interesting. It's full of activities which are quite interesting. So don't say science is difficult, science is quite interesting subject. So my dear students, hope you understood this concept properly with the help of this video. So don't forget to share this interesting video among your friends. This video is definitely going to explain the suspension concept quite clearly. So do share this video among your friends, and to get the updates of such interesting videos, subscribe our channel, that is VrushuRaj Classes. So my dear students, thank you so much for watching this video.